Fusion is what comes to my mind when I think about Diwali. So in today's episode, we'll be making a Besan Laddu Cheesecake. And it's super easy. Let's get on with it. First, we'll crush 3 Besan Laddus. In another bowl, we'll be taking our whipping cream and start beating it using an electric beater. When it starts to foam up, we'll be adding a powdered sugar. Next, we'll also add cardamom powder. We'll beat it till it reaches a soft peak stage. Next, we'll be taking our cream cheese in another bowl and we'll mix it using a spatula. Time to add in our cream cheese into the whipped cream and beat it up for the one last time till it becomes smooth. I'm transferring my cream cheese mixture into a piping bag, but you can simply use a spoon. In a serving dish, add a layer of crushed laddus, topping it up with a layer of cream cheese and repeat the process. Finally, I am topping up my cheesecake with some crushed almonds to give it some extra crunch. And our Besan Laddu cheesecake is ready. Wasn't that so easy? I'm sure you love it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also if you try this recipe, do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Until next time.